तो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 10th. Today we have lecture number 48 and new chapter surface areas and volume. So students, up to some extent this chapter is not new for you. You have studies in class 9th and well as class 8th. How to find surface areas and how to find volumes of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere and hemisphere, etc. But in this chapter, we will solve some questions of combining, based on combining of figures. So here, first question is that two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter square cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area resulting cuboid. Students, we have two cubes and we have resulting cuboid. Here, with the help of diagram, we can say that we have a cube, okay, whose volume is given 64 centimeter cube. Given volume of a cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. It means this is side cube, and side cube is equal to 64. That is, we can say side is equal to cube root of 64, which is equal to 4 centimeter. It means cube root of 64 is 4 centimeter. So, the side of cube is clearly 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, we have to join two cubes like that. Here we have to join two cubes in this way that we get one. Suppose we have two cubes of side 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Two cubes, after joining two cubes of same side, it becomes a cuboid. So in this case, students, if we have, this is resulting cuboid, and this cuboid has length is equal to 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter, and height is also 4 centimeter. So we have a cuboid if we join two cubes end to ends, and this is the way how find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So students, in this case, surface area means total surface area of resulting cuboid. So see here, students, now we will use formula to find surface area of resulting cuboid, and this becomes 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L, and putting the values of LVS 2 into under bracket 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. Now students, we get 8 4 32 plus 16 plus 32. After adding 2 and 32 plus 16 plus 32, it becomes 0, 1, 80. Finally, we have 2 into 80, that is 160 centimeter square. So students, this is nothing but the surface area of resulting cuboid. Okay students, so I think you got it. Now write this solution. So now students, we have another question number 3 of same exercise. In this question, students, according to this question, a toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. So first of all, students, you should read these type of question very carefully and try to make diagram. अब diagram बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए. For example, we have a hemisphere. This is a hemispherical portion, and this hemispherical portion is the cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere. See students here, cone is mounted on a hemisphere of radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Radius is same for both, same for cone and hemisphere. Okay, cone, hemisphere and cone. Okay, now height, no doubt students, this is radius, this is height of cone, and this is also radius of the hemisphere. But sorry students, it is given that total height h is equal to height of the cone is 15.5 centimeter. This is total height of the toy. Okay. Now, thus height of the cone is equal to h minus r. h क्या है? Total height. तो it becomes 15.5 minus radius 3.5, because from this total height we should subtract radius. It becomes 12 centimeter. So height of cone, this becomes 12 centimeter. Okay. Now we have a radius 3.5 centimeter and height of cone is 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area of the toy. We have to find total surface area of the toy. तो स्टूडेंट्स फिलहाल आप इसको नोट करें यहाँ तक. I hope you have written it. So remember, height of cone is 12 centimeter, whereas radius of cone as well as hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Okay students, so now we have to find total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of conic portion plus curved surface area of hemispherical portion. अब आप देखें कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोनिकल पोर्शन, इट मीन्स पाई आर एल प्लस हेमिस्फीयर मीन्स 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर, whereas CSA of conic part is pi r l. So students, now this L can be written as under root h square plus r square. You know, this is slant height. This L is nothing but slant height. Okay. Now use pi 22/7 and radius is here 3.5 and L is in term of h square plus r square. प्लस 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 3.5 होल स्क्वायर. तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम दिस फार्मूला वी कैन कैलकुलेट लेंथ हाइट सॉरी. तो h 12 स्क्वायर प्लस 3.5 स्क्वायर. आफ्टर ओपनिंग दिस बिकम्स 144 प्लस 12.25. तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दिस कैन बी रिटन एज L is equal to under root 156.25 or square root of this number so students, this will be 12.5 centimeter. Okay. So now we can put the value of L directly here. In place of L there is a 12.5. Okay. Now 7 5 ja 0.5 and here 22 into 0.5 11.0 multiplied by 12.5 plus 2 into 22/7 multiplied by 3.5 into 3.5. 7 5 ja. Okay. Now this becomes 11 multiplied by 12.5 plus 220 44 multiplied by 3.5 and 0.5. Okay. Now students, we will multiply these two and these, then we add to get answer, right? So now students, from here if we multiply 11 into 12.5 we get 137.5 and 44 into 3.5 into 0.5 we get 77 and after adding we get this is the answer, 214.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. तो I hope student कि you have got it, आपके समझ में आ चुका होगा. With the help of these two questions, I do hope that you will solve some more questions. Okay, so write down this. So students, here we have question number 6 and in this question we have a capsule like structure. This capsule consists of two hemispherical portion with two ends. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispherical stuck to each other to each of its ends. This is capsule and in this capsule there are two hemispherical portions which are stuck to both the ends. And measurement, the total length of this capsule is 14 millimeter, whereas the diameter of this hemispherical portion is 5 millimeter. And you know, if this is diameter, then radius become d/2, that is 5/2 or 2.5 millimeter. So this radius is for both hemispherical ends as well as cylindrical portion. तो स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर कि जो रेडियस है वो हेमिस्फेरिकल पोर्शन के लिए भी रहेगी वही, एंड ये जो आपका सिलेंडर पोर्शन है बीच का उसके लिए भी रहेगी. बट द हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 9 मिलीमीटर बिकॉज टोटल लेंथ इज 14 मिलीमीटर. आप देखें ये 2.5 रेडियस एंड दिस इज आल्सो 2.5 मिलीमीटर रेडियस. तो 2.5 प्लस 2.5 दैट इज 5. तो टोटल लेंथ 14 millimeter minus 5 millimeter is equal to 9 millimeter is the length or height of cylindrical portion. Now students, we have to find surface area of this capsule. Okay, surface area of the capsule is equal to surface area, covered surface area of cylindrical portion plus 2 into covered surface area of hemisphere, या surface area of hemisphere, because there are two hemispheres. So now using formula 2 pi RH plus here 2 into again 2 pi r square, value 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is 2.5 and height is 9 plus 4 into 22 upon 7 into radius 2.5 square. So okay students, these are the values. Now we have to find now 44 multiplied by 22.5 upon 7 plus 44 upon 7, and in this bracket 6.25. 44 upon 7 is common here. We have 22.5 plus 6.25. Now 44 is here, there correction is there. 44 upon 7 multiplied by, after adding 28.75. Okay students, write this till then. So students, see here, there is correction. I think 22 4 88. So there should be 2 multiplied here. 2 is also there, and therefore here we will multiply by 2. Okay. Now finally we get 22.5 plus 12.50 and 12.5, and if we add 44 upon 7, it becomes 35. 5 7 35 is equal to 220 millimeter square. Students, this is the answer of your question. So here students, right, so we have solved the sum question number 6. I hope with the help of these questions, the solution, you will solve more questions like 4th, 5th, 6th and some more questions also. So okay students, try to solve all the questions, keep watching and watch full videos. And students, now we will solve some more questions in our next lecture number 49. Till then, keep watching. Okay students, and if you have any problem, you can ask. So write this solution also, and okay students, so take care of yourself. Thanks.